In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to translate WooCommerce for your online store, making it easier for you to reach customers in different languages and regions. Let's get started on giving your site a broader appeal by diving into the effective use of the Loco Translate plugin. First things first, we need to install the Loco Translate plugin. Head over to your WordPress dashboard. Once there, navigate to the Plugins section on the left side menu. Click on Add New. In the search bar on the upper right, enter Loco Translate. You should see it in the results almost immediately. Click Install Now. Wait a few moments for the installation to complete, and once that's done, be sure to click Activate to enable the plugin on your site. This plugin is essential for translation, as it provides a straightforward interface for managing language files. Now that Loco Translate is installed and active, our next step is to find WooCommerce within the plugin settings. Move your cursor back over to the left side menu and click on Loco Translate. Once there, select Plugins from the submenu. You'll be brought to a page listing all of your installed plugins that can be translated. Scroll through this list until you find WooCommerce and click on it. This will take you to a section where you can manage the translations specific to WooCommerce, making it incredibly convenient to handle everything in one place. The next step involves selecting your language. If this is your first time translating your WooCommerce site, you might need to create a new language file. Don't worry, this is simple. Look for your desired language in the list. If you don't see it, there will be an option that says New Language. Click on it. A window will appear with a drop-down menu. Here, you can select your target language from a list of supported languages. If your chosen language already appears, you can click directly on it to begin translating. Once you've selected your language or added a new one, it's time to get translating. On the translation screen, you'll see a list of text strings used throughout WooCommerce. These are the bits of text that appear in various parts of your online store, like buttons, labels, and messages. Click on any string you'd like to translate, such as the familiar Add to Cart button that appears on product pages. When you select it, look towards the bottom of your screen. You'll find a text box where you can enter your translation for that string. Type in the translation you desire. The final step is quite simple. After you're satisfied with your translations, make sure to hit Save. This action will apply your translations to your WooCommerce store, ensuring that visitors will see the translated text. And voila! You've successfully translated your WooCommerce store using Loco Translate. Following these steps will help make your store more accessible and user-friendly for a diverse set of customers. Thanks for watching, and happy translating!